Think you're safe from lightning? Think again. Sure, your annual odds are 1 in 500,000, but here's the twist. Over a lifetime, that jumps to 1 in 12,000. Some people beat those odds spectacularly. Roy Sullivan survived 7 lightning strikes. A Serbian man? 8 times. The craziest part? Most victims weren't even in dangerous spots, just under trees or in open fields when the sky decided to attack. When lightning hits, your body channels up to 1 billion volts. 30% of victims survive, but nobody walks away unchanged. Your hair can turn white. Your skin gets permanent scarring that looks like trees growing under your flesh. Every thunderstorm, you're basically buying a ticket to the universe's deadliest lottery.